The people, everybody with up on the live, share the live, tell a friend, forward over here. So this is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we're sponsored by the granaries that's located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. At the room. Make sure so go over to them Instagram page and check out them page. Whole heap of party over there, so for everybody. You know, the new thing on the block at granaries is karaoke Thursdays. So if you're not at karaoke Thursday on a Thursday, do not know in life. You understand? Big up to my team members, them Dragon All Star. Happy belated Earth Strong, my general. Hope you had a good day. So DJ Rick, Breads, Mad One, big up on yourself. So share the live, forward over here. So
big up everybody who born July, I don't know.
Yeah.
Big up Eddie, big up Sean, big up Chicken.
Big up Stylogy.
Today Chicken Birthday, big up Stylogy.
Yeah, big up Bojo Bantad.
Big up Bojo, Mr. Mark.
One Gargamel.
The thing go like.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we have to comment Bojo for the solo show because
2 sold out shows in New York.
Boy,
let's be honest.
Let's be honest.
Yes, let's be honest. 2 sold out shows in New York. Gargamel has done it again.
There was a lot of speculation now about like the visa thing and how him able to go back in the United States after
that
being
situation.
convicted. After being convicted of a crime and thing.
Yes.
And then go back there for do a big sellout show and
It's good. We do commend him for that.
So, but what me want to find out still in a real life.
Yeah.
Because them say knowledge is key.
Yes.
Remember all the people got America back in our days.
Mm-hmm.
Do want to look at one mistake and get deep. So, Bojo, if you know one thing where you can help one, we can put on the carpet, when I have to go up on TikTok, go blast it on Instagram.
Bro, don't do that.
You understand?
Don't do that.
Squeeze a man a little thing and tell him what I go on and what you do and what the process. And if a man can get back to him people because you don't know anything go.
Wow.
Food have to make.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is that. How was your weekend, by the way? Let's get into the weekend biz.
The weekend slap because me a party from boat.
Last week Monday.
From boat Monday.
1 week straight.
Yeah. Say from boat yesterday me say me not done with the rum, but because the year gone bad.
Here we go.
But as I say, let me finish off the year. The next year me start over. So like a plan.
Me no business with you, sir.
Yeah, me start over next year. Me finish off that year and just start fresh next year.
Yeah. Brett, how was your weekend?
No, big up my friend Brett. Watch out now. The man go label, the man go black label and say Dragon.
Big up yourself.
Man say Dragon, how you want? Me about $1 million liquor.
Big up yourself, my
general. I just say, me nah be greedy, give me one. Cause you see, if they tell me today, what you tell me the other day, it'll be a problem, my boy. Cause the day when I tell me, I swear to God, I don't really liquor,
So I got a birthday, man.
Happy birthday, my friend.
Told you once a year.
It's it.
Jaja.
365 more days before you get that this friend.
I would have stomach it, big up,
Big up stomach it. Big up to everybody that is on our Instagram live, and on the TGM Radio's TikTok page as well as our Facebook page. Make sure that you go over and you support them. You share, you like, you subscribe, you do. But make sure it's an invite.
I feel like I'm updating for talk about this week. Where shall we
start the conversation, my G. Remember, your birthday month, so you.
No, I feel like it's just so much go on in social media. First, make the rounds them. We have a big up every promoter over the capital who keep them events.
That kept their events
over the weekend and throughout the week. Big up everybody all like successful event them.
Yeah.
So far, remember my name. I never go.
I want to shout out Sasha.
I don't know if Sasha ever blessed.
Utopia was a vibe. We weren't there.
I was there.
Yeah,
I wasn't there personally.
Euphoria.
Utopia was.
Utopia. Big up Sasha Ever Bless. We have put Ever Bless on her name. The girl party go on.
Top tier host.
No, big up Forever Sash. That's the girl name.
Sasha
Forever Sasha. Sasha Ever Bless.
No,
big up Sasha.
But anyway,
go. Yeah.
Nice. Go on good. Don't know if you celebrity pass through.
Yeah, definitely.
Man like energy.
Man like energy. Big up to Sika Rhymes as well.
Sika Rhymes pass through. Me. Obviously, me pass through, so I can't get that my celebrityism. But yeah,
celebrity.
I might word that.
Yeah, man. No.
So,
make him
so
go
anyway,
make him go.
Friday for me was obviously my friend party that will never miss me.
Yeah.
It's sat them next friend them party, you know, park on the land, big things go on. I love a video should have said we were back, but yeah, things there, man.
See, man, one girl give man one wine, you know.
No, you don't say a few girl, I'm just there. I only made and them just a father, I'm just a little thing.
That's true.
Yeah, man, one girl give me one wine, you know, like.
No, a one wine, I still got recording.
Sorry for wine, you know.
Don't worry about that. Me take that sorry for wine there.
Yeah, man, me see what go on.
Better than enough man they done. Nobody will look on them.
Remember, I told me to go foreign really quick, you know, cause remember my trip them short, you know. You know, 2 days I go one place for come back.
Why? Forward back. Just take your wine.
No wine ain't that. I girl let me come for. I want to you. Ease out.
So you try.
Yeah, but anyway, you don't know, like the weekend was festive, like I was all over, man, like.
Yeah, cause after part my alarm, I'm a virgin birthday party. Then I got builders link up, and then we couldn't go no more party. That
yeah, but so far what me see, cause apologies to the promoter them and my friend them who couldn't forward on the thing over the weekend. You don't know Dragon and normally, but you don't know I'm very strong weekend, so I have to kind of do something different, right? So big up everybody will keep them event. And so far, when I see, look like no shimmings go on. Yeah, no look like look a fight broke out and them sitting there, but me never there, so I can't say. That's where you look like on the media.
Sunday was an
episode.
Yes.
Bad episode.
You never stop keep all right party because I like this everything going on.
One next up over Sunday.
Yeah. My boy the party something.
Who is my boy?
Money Swab.
Really?
Yes.
Or is it the events that are being hosted on a Sunday? Because I second Sunday now.
And all white, so they have to change to.
And it's all white.
Yes. I get the people in, no, I don't know. But yeah, other than that, I don't never major really go on, but it's rare. But overall, the weekend was a 99.9%.
Yeah, but
successful rate.
We have to appeal to the people again. Say, I'm begging to please, like we know summer. We know everybody bad and everybody know everybody live. And everybody are bad people. So when you don't feel bad and you don't want to fight, please don't fight at the people in party. Remember, I'm not stopping from fighting because I don't work with the Met Police and army, I have no affiliation with them. So if you don't want to fight, everybody know where everybody live and where everybody come from. Do nothing after the event, because you see sometimes I go out and I drink the rum and I will have vibes and song I play, Some hot sexy girl all over there, so I say, bumbo, clot, could they? Money don't spend already, Don't come fuck up the vibes, dog. I beg you, please. Stay over there.
And
last week we talked about this,
If a summer and the man feel like them excited. If a summer and the man feel like excited, it's fine a girl, man, and breed her, man.
Last week we talked about this, and we need to start blame some of these promoters as well, and some of these DJs. Because me have to do it both ways, because we know the troublemaker them, But yet still, them a come at this party and mash you up tonight and come at the next one tomorrow. You see, when you mash up one, when you get banned. Broadcast, tell the promoter them, tell the people them keep a party, tell the DJ themselves, we see them and we know them. Dog, sit out that summer, yeah. And a fear summer, get a little band. Yeah, get a little band, man, because we not come mash up this summer party and because we not a friend or affiliated. So,
well, so far so good.
Just easy with us.
Right, so far so good on the dancehall scene. We are well behaved at the moment. Are the English people, my God, them bodies.
Yeah, but it's one scene. But they're not going to say, I did.
No, we know this. But for our peace of mind, because people see and say, yeah, no, not a yard party, bro. It's a different party. Because when we do something wrong, we have to hold the L, because they must say we are doing something wrong.
Yeah.
So when them prestigious event get something wrong, they have to hold them L too. Because them love say we have Bugu Yaga party, though.
Yeah.
So the show say another event are just the people. Because no matter it's just about that, if him a fighter, she's a fighter, they're going to fight. I never want to happen no farm a black event because African, Jamaican, whatever, once are we, you see me? But for our local individuality, so far we are going good. So that's how keep it up.
Yeah, that's something there. And people, let's just jump in a little international news real quick because see a little thing what they remember, I don't know much about it, and I beg the people over here we have the power. Remember, I'm not straight yet.
Why?
Still look one girl for married.
That sounds very wrong. Kind of fix up.
No.
Let's still look one girl.
No, yes,
I don't have no papers yet.
Yeah, all right.
No. Press the button. Press the button.
I don't have no papers yet. I look one girl for married to give me some papers, right?
Because that never sound too right a while ago.
When I mash up the conversation. Remember, me not eat pum pum and them sitting there, so that's why me have to just do the right thing,
Why?
Me have to wait my turn. until I find the right somebody who want to give me some papers, right?
Go for the place on the partner and place on place.
From what they make a granny's man, home office.
It's right true.
Saying so
it must bingo.
So let me just get into the story real quick. So what do you say? They make a attempt after we call it former President
Mr.
Trump
Donald Trump.
life. You get me? And we see a little thing like say it look like an inside job to me. What do you think? Because
I think it's an inside job.
it's so many different angles where people spot the guy going on the roof. On the roof, and everybody
And how
says the
many
guy's on the
people have
roof.
reported that he was there?
Even there was a police who see him go on the roof, and recent news come out say the police sniper team them was in the building that the guy climbed on the roof pan. So the sniper them for the police them
Was in that same building.
yeah. So the guy there on top of the roof for them, you know.
Where they should have been on top of the roof.
No. So you have the Secret Service sniper we take him out over there. So you have like the local police them for them sniper team in that building, and the guy on top of the roof of the building with him, you know.
No,
So
but what I say, normally, them in the building and have at least 2 squatters on top of the building. Because I work at conference. The tallest building in the whole facility,
That's where they
I
are.
this them there. So them more higher than everybody
So
else.
they can see.
Yeah, so, boy.
you
But
think
then-
it's an
and-
inside job?
And I'm at 20
No,
apparently.
do you
Yeah,
think
he's
it's an
20.
inside job? Because like an idea like how can you miss something like
It's a
this?
naughty
Like,
boy job, body blind.
because I an idea like so much different angle of people spot this guy on the roof,
For you,
crawl
for
upon him belly, and even one night time some police them a show the police them and them the police them totally ignore it.
all right.
And then, I mean,
poor-
what about the angle of where he was standing and the woman who, did the sign?
Yeah.
I think she gave the signal.
I think so too.
Bro, Miss Woman,
I think she gave the signal.
in the video.
You don't want nothing
Well,
flinch.
she
As the
didn't
shot
even
start fire, as the
move.
shot start fire, yeah.
She took out her phone and started video. That's the same woman.
And
So,
after like somebody jump on,
Yeah.
I'm gonna say her again. I'm
She-
a comment and say, so now when I see the woman with
so
the white phone,
that same, I think it was a yellow phone case, but that same woman
Yeah.
had a whatever color it is. She had on a white top.
And when him put it
What-
up, the shot
she
fired.
had on a placard. 2 seconds later, shots were fired, and then she instantly took out her phone and started recording. And I'm like,
Well, me don't know, you know. Me I beg you no authority to lower me, you know, because me there long enough, see. But as what me I say, look like it's an inside job to me.
something is in something.
Because-
That's all I can say.
Remember,
Something in a something.
remember Biden. What the end they said, them a put one bullseye on Trump. And now him a backtrack for take back the statement. So me like, something because remember say him senile, you know, so.
but to be fair,
No flick
yeah.
a thing what him say is like him
You
hear it,
can't
but
read, yeah.
him hear it, but him not really remember all like.
Yeah.
Yo, the man called the
Ukraine.
president
Putin.
Putin. So what me like say, yeah?
I mean, he's mentioned his
when
dead son.
when them did do with JFK via a top of a limo,
Yeah.
by a top of limo, yeah, it's a proper sharpshooter.
Yeah.
It's precise. You get a 20-year-old no record of sniping, just to fire some wild shot.
So basically, when we look on the recent evidence, the forensic evidence will come out with, they show the digital graphics
Yeah.
of what happened. They say when the shot fire, they say like milliseconds before Donald Trump turned him head slightly. So basically, the bullet trajectory, if he never turn him head, they go through part and brain, when it graze him ears. So the boy a top shooter cause based on what them a say, the distance where him take the shot from, them say when you join the US military, in that distance, if you can't shoot a human silhouette from that distance, you can't make the cut.
But at the same time,
You
was
can't
he
make
in the
the
army?
cut. So, no, he wasn't in the army, no birds. But at the end of the day, remember these things. People can coerce people and give people secret training because it don't take much to radicalize a little boy. you
But
see
those
me?
And then
Feel
again, we
say-
don't know behind the
We just feel
scenes.
say him fire the shot with Smiley shoot Trump shoot out Trump
Nah, man,
ears.
they like
Me think
No, what
it's
we mean,
not-
I'm more than one
it's not
shot.
alone gunman, me
No,
not think so.
more than one shot fire. So them say, you know what, go do it. Him never gonna miss. So when them fire first, him fire this. I don't know which
Birds.
one come
which one
first.
come
Me say, "Una not look at the good now. Remember now, a handgun the man carrying there one rifle, you
But
know.
I'm not hearing me
Oh,
say no.
you walk in there, so we do a big old rifle now.
And nobody knows.
Nobody, I don't like one rifle where you can fool. I want big old rifle the man walk in there with, so nobody not see it.
No, the one them can actually. Well, you got me assist.
You can take the angle off, but alright.
It's
With the
still-
rifle-
it's
with the
still going
rifle
to be a
when
large
him off-
item.
With
Yeah.
him off, and I'm on the roof, think about it.
So
It's
that's
a
what
large
I say.
item.
Them allow him to get in,
Hold on now.
and them on the
Him
skateboard.
come in with the rifle, cause you see him up there screwing the rifle together.
No, but you know what I say.
Me ask you.
But you know what I say.
Alright.
Even if him got with him do and fire the shot, he was just the person to get catch. Them don't have Smadil somewhere else on one part, ready to do the same shooting. So if he get when forget, him a hold the L.
Because obviously, you see, it's like no loose end because dead man tell no tale. Because this
I show gangali when I see bullet gaze man.
this our next thing when we realize, say, it shot fire and then seconds after, they identify exactly
it
where
is.
the shooter is. Blup, blup.
Exactly.
So that means I wanted to see him before.
But that's the whole point. Them
But,
one thing.
it all boils down to the fact, or back to the point. He was being pointed out minutes before the situation happened. Look how much people were saying,
But-
"Oh, there's a guy on the roof. There's a guy on the roof." Before the shots were fired.
We know what police work, you know. We know
the
them
man
thing they
said,
go.
the man said,
And then with
Donald Duck.
We know what police work, you know. Police know say, I want to kill you,
Eh.
but I don't want to kill you in a cold blood. I wait for you to grab a gun. Or you draw for the gun.
And then them do whatever.
Yeah, but
Them
them,
they shoot-
them they want him shoot Trump. Then them say, all right, we are hero. We kill the man who killed Trump. One way to get rid of the problem, you know. Them say, the man who killed Trump dead. When you can't question him, when you never find out what really happened because him dead, you know.
Dead man tells no
Saying?
tales. That's right.
But them they want Trump dead. Because if Trump dead, get rid of two problems at the same time.
Yo, I watch too much movie
And
if you see when them
Once
thing
once
happen.
upon a time, like when Barack Obama did that run and thing, you know, one night time I say, yo, you know, me didn't rate Trump, but now the perspective change.
I Trump fire one shot, yeah, man.
Yes, right now, come like a one different glass me I wear, dog. You know, different prescription and be a thing. Cause right now, when we look on the world and they portray a certain thing, because you bet you if you be racist or you be straight to me, than pretend and smile on my face and say, yeah man, me good. And tomorrow you try to deport me. Yeah man, tell me say you want to deport me. Me know a wildlife.
Yo, how you go on after shooting at Trump? I go win.
He don't win before.
I must. If he wasn't sure before,
He's more
sure
sure
now.
now.
Trump just say, yo, go on the tower. The fire shot, don't worry.
But-
All if you miss.
Have you guys,
You know?
first, have you guys ever look on the fallout if they kill Trump? Think
But
say yo.
I haven't watched The Simpsons yet, so I don't
No.
know.
that never in a Simpson.
No.
Not go
I
off a
know.
truck. It ain't a
I
Simpson.
know.
May I say look on the
know.
fallout because it almost gonna lead to civil unrest, you know, because remember when him lose election, right? Them raid the Capitol building. Say if they didn't kill Trump, I go on over there.
America
The
lockdown.
greatest thing,
I
eh?
remember just ask.
Greatest the person them catch. He's one of them.
Oh, Trump supporter.
No, Caucasian.
Caucasian.
Oh. I
That's
know.
the greatest
I
thing.
get what you're saying, bruv.
Because if it was a black person,
Then the perspective would have
he
been
would have
different.
died.
Well, I know.
They would unalive him right there and then.
Then well, I know.
The white one was unalived.
No, before
He was being unalived once them say, "Oh, there is a."
The man will get so far to try
There.
to climb a building.
There.
We don't want to dwell upon this too long because times against us. But I don't know if you guys see a recent video with the guy who is Trump running mate who him promised to be the vice president if he win. That guy say, thank God, say no Islamic country don't have the nuclear weapon. And them say no, but UK have one because the government know they're Islamic. That's the matter about Keir Starmer. So that means that
and Khan.
the whole relationship between America and UK. Remember how them used to roll like Chima and Batty?
It's gonna
It all change and like everybody is like I wonder
Don't
say yo.
change. You're
We
right.
don't really want to delve into this about the whole war in Ukraine. I look on them and I say yo, watch all the people them from like Iraq and like we call it Afghanistan. Remember them they are refugees of war just the same like Ukrainian people. And them people, you know what them I say? For shoot up a boat out of sea with them. But the Ukrainian them I tell, we say here and now, can't two of them for live in your house and
Put
they will
them
give you money.
Get
So
a piece of food.
that may show you like a double standard in a life. You still have first class and second class citizen in this day and age. I'm not talking about black versus white. It's just where you come from. And like, if I realize that when anything go on like anywhere in Asia, if you're not in Europe or America,
It's not mentioned.
if you happen in Latin America, nobody no business about it because even most nothing will go on on Jamaica news. Will go on to Brazil and Ecuador and them places.
We don't get that
When-
footage.
Like our mind is so conditioned and then condition our minds in a way where we come like say we're not even care one go on.
Yeah,
I remember
upon the
certain
Gaza,
people are closer to with a European, you know.
Gets this, you have aid for Ukraine and none for either Palestine or whoever which one that suffer. Remember, bro, it's like if you understand, the man them ask the coach for them number one, them sell for the person, make them sell be what it is, and know the them people in the power now, them not in the power no more, man. Them just come do the opposite. Them color them do worse than the man where is not colored like we. Cause what them do and what them implement and what them a try do. Man I say can I walk on the road, just get take off and go back in the country. Nothing. Just
no
nothing.
Reason, no,
just say yo, your time up, bro.
I hate that.
All if ever British passport or not, your time up.
Alright.
And these are foreigners saying the same thing about foreigners.
And this make you wonder, right? How can you deem somebody stateless if they born here, their parents born here,
and you're gonna send
and
them back to a country
you take back them passport, right? Them
So
parents
ridiculous.
born here as well. You take the passport and say no, go back to that country because your great grandfather don't say him come from.
Like that now.
How the fuck you can do that?
And them have Rwanda.
Like think boy, because remember your royal family originally they're fucking Germans.
Yep.
Polish as well, but go on.
So I'm just saying. So
It's a mixture of them, bro.
How can you do that to somebody just because they're we call it the wrong ethnic minority? Like you can't do that, dog. That's why I say they always say like black people are not English. They say we are British.
And that's
That mean they are talking about the wider empire.
And that's wild, bro.
Because them say you're not English. English is the white Caucasian, we call it Anglo-Saxons. Them people. Them say we are British because them I think about the wider British empire.
But it's a joke about it,
yeah, like dog, this
they
is so fucked up.
They segregate you from English to British, we have the same passport.
And watch you know, where the man name where them kick out Downing Street, him the one
Matt Hancock.
no, Sunak. Him the one put the conscription in where he must everybody have served in the army. Film few for pitting you go fight. My opinion never broke no war.
18.
Them never broke no war. Them never diss nobody.
But it's crazy how when
Oh my god.
when the leaders them try to put something in power where affect the white people, yeah, not never get done. But when they affect us, we alone.
It's instant.
Yes. So that's why you say
going into effect
them man they
now.
see our struggle via them. Them not really want to get trapped by it. Remember not. Slavery is just not just color alone. You have some white people back then.
You have different aspects.
Yeah, white people back then that slavery was suffering, but them just the better off than the black man. You see me? Control, you know. Nowadays it's not about your color, it's about who we can control. With the 2 year we have the blip, the 2 year blip. The man them find say, yo, if we conform to this injection, at the whole of we and everybody get slaves, and guess what? They're the 80% how they call it. Them say no. So them take them time from severe to all of a sudden,
Yeah.
it's just a normal thing. No?
That's a question. Have you ever gone down to Trafalgar Square, down to the British Museum? Have you ever take a trip down there?
No,
Because watch here
not
now.
physically, but yeah.
A badness, the man them approve, you know, because the man them say, listen, we have no things in here. This come from Jamaica, we take it from down there. This day and time, that time about you can't get it back. But we can let you know still enough for 1 2 weeks. And pay more money, and then after we take it back.
But the maddest thing about that,
And me I was a look on that and say, how fucked up is that?
But we always are talk about
Like
like
name-
things
well, I know-
so
I
I
know-
don't know why it's
in name British Museum, yeah, and you probably can count how much thing British in there.
if anything is British.
Like,
That's crazy.
Oh, you can rob
If
the world
any.
in this day and age, right? And when no one say no, them say, if somebody, just like how them still a lock up. I see some old man what they them a lock up, you know, them say some old Nazi them.
It's crimes that they've done years ago.
Yeah, years ago,
decades
buckle
ago.
Decades ago, them say old Nazi.
Bro.
So you can't lock up two of them, man, yeah. Or say
Bro,
like say,
may I say
fiend
this?
father did that do slave trade, so lock up him.
Lucky
I'm
one.
gonna say this, yeah.
Lock up them and take back with things them, cause
You
at the end of
see
the day, the world are level in a dog, and when we look on certain thing, we not even like talk about it. We
When
talk
you-
about some more fuck it.
when they put things against slavery, yeah, all of a sudden, everybody come out of freedom oppression with something. We just, why are we still where we are? So everybody get free. We say, man, we leave for them country, go fight for that country of freedom, while they enslave a whole continent, bro, for much years. And there's no repercussions, they said, oh.
Yeah, man. I'm telling enough of them, say, if you feel like you don't want bad man and a gun and you want to go fire or something. Remember, when you have to go army, you know, you can go to security work or private military because
True.
I don't really support the fuckery war where like America and British them go fight. Because like, if you think about it, like, how many people things them mash up and take? Like,
how many lives?
Look on the war in the Middle East. Remember, you know,
How many lives
them
have
they
been
say
taken?
man have weapon of mass destruction down the scene. But them go find some AK. And them know same they have it. You see me, I them go for you. See me, anywhere there's resource. Remember right now, you know what this proxy war are going on Ukraine for? Enough people don't meds it. It's most of Africa. Because if you realize it, most of them country like Nigeria and them country there, we used to align with the western side, like France and enough of them colonial power there. Them kick them out and them do a military coup and just kick out the government because the government them no business, you know. As long as for them bucket full and run over with money, them no business. Them just do what them are doing. See, once them kick them out and Russia them forward now, and I do what them are do. Because remember, you know, how long now, look on Jamaica. How long now US and England, they are Jamaica. Right through. Where them build on a team to a road. You see, look at China, them come. They come in and them pies over mine and say, no man, we are selling out Jamaica to each other. They man sell so much to China them, because you want to know. Me can't swear China them left, you know. Some good road and some nice things. You see England them left.
Alright,
I Spanish them build flat bridge, you know. Remember I know English them.
Jamaica,
because I'm just saying.
There's only one in Jamaica here. When them invite people here. Alright. Them rather collect the money than tell them man say, okay, we are give this but build up them something half way. We have 14 parish. You run toll through all our parish them. If a parish run a toll through a school and made it something where I got benefit back. Them take the money and say we're gonna do it and them start and all of a sudden all house you look on. So it's like
or no house.
Them just as bad because they say them a line for them pocket card. A man go to the account and say some numbers and letters. Them and say, boy, I never say them something before.
At the end of the day, what you call it is different how people operate because like if me know say like you're corrupt because we already know say America and England them like work with corrupt government. Them know them will come out and put out press conference and say, oh, we give Jamaica $40 million. But them know them a give to one corrupt man. By the time Bird get the money, Bird say, oh yeah, we'll fix the road. Saying, remember you know, $40 million, Bird squeeze 29 pocket. Well I know. Birds give him friend the contract. Remember the man never lay one black in our life in a verse for build road. See the man who likes and say, alright, 30 there. 25, you know.
Use 5.
You see me? Him link couple little smart way. No little bit boy work. The man they like so and buy material. Thief back most side. Left most side hardware. See? You see by the time the money for spend on the road, remember about 15 million spent on the road and the road half done. And them say money done. Because remember most of these things, they do appraisal and say, listen, this costs how much and them calculate the material and the labor and everything. So I don't know what the blood clot half or quarter. Look on the Negro side and the Mobile side.
I was just going to
say.
12 million.
Like that?
I remember the boss up.
12 million.
Bro, you see if you get it here.
You see anybody complain? What do you see man them raise them pay 300%? You see
208%.
As I'm telling you, Jamaica at the moment we have we call it 9 days mentality. We cost for 9 days then we're good again. Something else that up on social media.
Yeah, something else forward out and take the spotlight.
That is it. You see pay go back. Don't remember bro God do like and say, what you mean fucking up? Donate about 2 months worth of that money, you know, and then nobody not gonna talk about him. Stop it. You see, once I do like remember Jamaica.
But did they actually give money back?
We don't know. I saw him say.
So them said they told him because both parties said that they were gonna do.
They will make the same money. That's all they want to hear.
No, but it
bad man. Remember, you know, their man they get about $5,000 less than the Prime Minister over here.
Foolishness.
Remember here. Bro, gotta get about 5. Remember, you know.
And the price will get what 110.
Big man thing.
110,000 a year.
Alright, me now this Jamaica, but in compare economy, we would have talk about like McDonald's chain in terms of over economy. The Jamaican economy was like a cook shop. Me now this country still about. I saw you compare in terms of
the analogy that you're trying to use.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you say the man where we have one cook shop, I get the same money as the big boss at McDonald's. You say, no man, something blood clot wrong here so. Like me I tell.
The maths ain't maths.
The maths up. So Andrew don't know what fuck we not go on because like every minute Andrew fly. Anything I keep over Andrew over dance you fuck. You say anyway like a early that day.
In pitch.
I do like a big smarty and them say, yeah man. When they link up Andrew over there.
No, you see thing is that
Mother like them publish like him expense for the year. How much plane ticket and how much place him go a nice hotel. Because remember you know
private
when
jet.
them man come a foreigner them say biggest hotel them you know.
Alright.
Actually them not publish them sitting here in a dog. A taxpayer money I do it
you see thing with what him do. Better take advantage of the situation with me in there. But still, as I say, you know, if you do something for the people better than what you do, you can't go and do your thing. Look, just like artists. Artists go and them foolish, but they provide the entertainment the people want, so them just blind to it some time. You can't do what you do and everybody has suffer same way. You know, look good, bro. You see what I say?
Well, the police station have electricity. A whole heap of police station have a whole heap of things in Jamaica.
Yeah, but alright, so with that now, with the storm, yeah. Can't really
How many weeks? 2 weeks now?
You can't
this
really,
week is the second week since it passed.
beat the people bad because your country already.
I know people them will beat.
No, we don't know when people are talking like that because the government is. Your country in the first place, they put on them light and them running something there. It's a different terrain. So now, who not build up house road and part or grass grow so. The man have to do them can't do. You have to just wait. Like any country, when something happen, it little till it get back. So you can't really, that part there, you have to just wait.
We understand.
But some people go on TikTok and post the rain and they can't do it.
Especially in a rural area of Jamaica, like some of the infrastructure gonna be more severely damaged.
Yeah, especially in where it got hit.
Well, Patrio fall down because obviously they don't maintain we would call the bushing, the overgrown, over the light wire them and things. So
once it above code, them alright.
Tree or drop down. Once not drop down upon everybody good, but you don't know how Jamaica run. But at the end of the day,
unfortunately, it's
not good. And when I come here to tear down Jamaica because of my country, I love Jamaica. I just want to fix up a little better. So some of the time we just have to talk it brutal and maybe
sometimes
maybe the words can fall to the right ear.
And sometimes people if you stop post stuff in Jamaica and make record stuff at the worst. You never I see people post certain things. You will never see them post nothing positive. You tell me say the whole thing on the island, you never see one positive to you can post to.
You know me eat. Me at the foreigner them go to Jamaica. Jesus Christ, me now go back out there. Them wicked down there, see. And me like, where the blood clot you come from? And New York you come from, you know? Me like, me bumbo clot. If you walk kill us at New York, them thief you.
Bro, you see the thing with it?
No, in a real life, like, me feel see me can chop a sleep all about stop at Jamaica.
Yeah,
in a New York.
I say, get up and go ahead, boy.
Watch out now. Watch out now. If you're there in New York, you take all the train anytime after 12 o'clock. You have to arm and dangerous.
The A train especially.
No, I mean, just tell you. And you don't know them places around. And like Cali and certain places, like, brother, like Baltimore, fucking Chicago and them places. Yo, brother, no ease out. Jamaica is very nice. Remember, we have grass mite there everywhere, you know, but, you know.
Dragon, but they are yard with it. Engine must probably seem like place, yeah?
Last year.
No.
A joke.
No, man, I said, regardless of it was there. You said a foreigner, when for them man to get up their things and woman, you have to ask yourself, why are you there in that situation? There's mistakes and there's some people in a things, but they will never tell you, say, that is why they make it seem like, say, a man just randomly see them
and the funny
on a random day, in a random place.
Yeah.
Just so.
Yeah, and you see funniest thing, birds, when we look on it right now, Jamaican don't want to see foreigners right now because most Jamaican are better off than foreigners.
Brother, when you go dance
and I'm being 100 right now.
Bro, when you go dance and like one time.
Because right now when you go dance, you can't outspend them, you can't outdress them. Go and sorry, look at
but you're joking.
In real life. So, but just a talk.
I outspend them, you overspend, left them, and you get tricked.
I know about overspend, you can't outspend them.
Let me finish now. Them not really overspend. You think so you have to, so they make you go and do your thing and pop down your situation. I'm gonna go so. Well, on, bro. You see, I'm gonna go so 2 flaws and a buck ties and some chase, and you as a foreigner think so you have to go where. How you that, man?
My boy,
no, the point I'm making is this.
What kind of flaws in here? What kind of life, yeah?
Well, on, bro.
Remember, I'm not coming from the place. What kind of flaws in Brazil? 2 flaws?
Dragon, stop.
What the blood?
Let me finish what I say. The point I'm making is here. And like one time when them see a foreigner, they must say we are trying to match him. Them know so them got them shit and them care about them no more. Them do for them things. So and I'm like what I'm say, you don't say foreigner for there, I feel like you have to do the best. I'm like, bro.
For impress and outline.
Tell them I do for them thing and them good. When they're ready for do them I do, them good. You would always have kind of thing say, yo, we go for England thing good. But even dog look by you.
I just say is I don't know about your circle, but my
different
circle.
Different strokes for different folks.
You see, when I'm down there and when I'm down there, is that everyday life. I saw them live.
All right, weekly party, different from a one-off event,
no,
obviously.
May I tell you, from weekly to one-off, that's why I said to your bird, say like,
but that's what I'm saying to you, Jagan.
Everybody's circle is different.
All right, Jagan, even your bridging them, yeah, we do a number, yeah. But if them see a man from foreign, a woman and hype, yeah, Them now got, and like one time I try keep up.
I got Jamaica, I
They
spend
do
all
for
my
them
money.
thing. But that's something, Dragon.
Because, you know, liquor
Dragon.
always dear, my boy.
What
like,
I say foreigner, I not talk you,
Yeah.
bro. I talk people who
I'm
go
not
on
foreigner,
there.
I'm Jamaican.
People go
I'm
on
not
there.
on papers, you know.
I'll start easy.
People go on there with things say them better than the country. As them reach a airport, them because of a body. Straight through. Them people, then got dance now. They must, Mr. Dragon, with this one, I got try to show up. But the Dragon, what I say, yo, don't drink right, I'm good. So,
nice.
So when you go home and I touch your pocket, I go so.
Jamaican, my boy.
Well, I'm bro, I'm talking, man. When you go home now, the fire, and I say, yo, flap Dragon and them friend them. Yeah, broke in your yard.
People do that?
Grass class.
People do that. You know, say big man thing like
Energy in a party. Even father ask him.
you see,
Enough people.
I have an idea, dog. You see when
pass
me go,
capping.
no, well, I know.
I shirt them away and pants and shoes extra.
Well, you see when me go out, I'm not busy with the your table, you know. Highway, him a drink how much back him a
You did it for yourself.
and me feel like I want one flask more and drink. I me feel like I want to drink some Hennessy. I want to drink this, that me a drink.
But that is what I'm saying.
Well, you see, me and the dad them today, I'm going to say, yo, what we I do? This way I do, and this way I say, this way I do. This way I do, because any idea. When I watch because say, yo, him have one box of Hennessy, me buy a box. That means, say, here we are do now. You know, enjoy your night, you know. So anything they man that do, try out doing for
So
that,
like, so that match I show.
me not justify my level of enjoyment after
So
people.
that match show one time.
You and another birds. You see me as a boy, me tell you, see, me always talk it. Me always have to make sure say me have piece of buy pussy money in my pocket. So, no, me talk the truth. So when me there at Jamaica, me no bother with the liquor thing. Pussy me buy right through. So, me just start the thing them. So when you see me I talk to one girl, a business me I do. Yeah. So, yeah, me not waste my money.
Alright, no, but
yeah.
the point is, it's still come further and prove a point. Jamaica don't really see foreigners as like, wow. Because them do everything.
Dog at 2024.
Because when them find out, I say, we over here have to copy everything we do. So eventually, the man say, well, now we are set the trend. So, why the fuck is
Jamaica set the trend. We know that.
That's what I'm
That's what
saying.
he
So,
just said.
so
That's my
why
home.
you go forward now?
And try.
I mean, I try to side up with you when you actually did
This
that.
is your hometown.
So what you mean by Jamaica hometown? You don't consider yourself as Jamaican?
That's what
What
he's
the fuck are you
referring
listening to, bro?
I don't know.
That-
Mate for most
Change.
turn off.
Nobody drink no more rum.
I'll bet the rum.
Let's jump over to the next topic. Spice and the Fix. Kick it off.
Oh.
Me at your white shirt.
No, the American side, but I never finished watch it actually. Cause I did a long fucking
But I mean,
interview,
what you've watched. I mean,
Oh,
it's
so
of-
basically
it's
she
of
shit at
substance.
that. Oh, she shit at
Wait,
that.
we could get the four story first. So basically, was it Sumfest?
No, a launch party.
Her launch party a couple years ago. Spice had words with Nara from Fix, and basically she told them to go.
She invited them for this them.
She invited them deliberately to this them because she did art for them, and she basically told Nara, go and suck your mother and go, right? And obviously we know Nara and the team from the Fix are critiques, and sometimes Nara can be a bit too harsh. People
Cousin.
people would think he's a bit too harsh, but Nara is who he is, and he gives his opinion, and him not beat around the bush nor nothing. Fast forward to 2024, Spice is dropping her project.
EP. Album. EP.
Is it Mirror or 20?
Yes, Mirror.
Mirror
20.
Mirror
8.
28,
Something like that,
something of the sort, if my memory serves me correctly. And she is doing her promotional tour. She's doing quite a number of interviews. In the United States, we've seen her we've seen her revealing the cover of the project on one of the platforms last week. And now we fast forward to last week where, the Fix and Nara and Spice are sitting down and
One ask a question.
people are wondering, is
Ask a question. Hold on. More ask a question. Birds. Big man thing. If I you wish you tell her to suck your mother.
would you do an interview?
When you fall back on your show, you don't tell her to suck back her mother.
No, because we are trying to move on though.
Eh?
We are trying to move on. 'Cause it'll look bad for you. No, if she fall, she should apologize.
Eh.
I you say
I
that.
got this.
Because any other person,
You two all apologize to one of them.
Well,
Suck
no.
back your mother.
But they
no,
did.
no.
They both apologized.
No, but it's okay. It's
each other.
she looking at public now, yeah. She gonna say, well, she was right, because back then everybody are running in a way, yeah.
Yeah.
She did, whatever, cool.
She had reasons
and
for
then,
her.
And then she
yeah.
forward now, and literally forward now. Year space,
Eh.
no. And I got apologize years later, where everybody gone past it. but then obviously it happened. Then you gotta say, no, as a man, you gotta do that, and then it can move to a point where, okay, at the first, then after it's like, they're like, but she does say, sorry, I'm not sure a bigger platform than a minute.
But
so it's like,
yeah, but I mean,
it can end that because future reference of other people where you're naming things, and I'm trying to say, alright, so for instance, other artists will have fought after fear. I said, I'm say, I'm not fought, I'm carry on. So,
but we can also look at it from the perspective that she's doing this project, and the essence of the project, if you look at the way how she's done it, it's a reflection. Obviously, she reflect about the past decade, another decade.
You don't ever suck her back, mother?
No, dog.
Why never did it upon the time when it was there?
Because
before you cut me off, what I want to say is, I think it's a matter of introspection and reflection, and looking in the mirror, realizing, say, certain situations happen. You just
and to be fair, that's okay, man. That but they show it there right now too. Cause maybe said it. Obviously, it's off of this, but you see if you say it back to her there and then, okay. But come on, that's cause you're a man, bro.
Sure, Ghana next level.
Gangalisa, remember Nara mother work hospital. Remember where eat Spice.
You know, Ghana one next level, and Spice apologized to Nara mother, but I feel like say, because Nara is a youth, him get all pass okay, madam. I think
he said it. He didn't comment them. So no, all right, see different now.
Do you think Boom should apologize?
Well,
you think Boom should apologize?
You see when. All right, say for instance, now energy say that to you. Yeah. People know energy. Yeah. If a random people come and say it, you're like, what the fuck are you, bro? Yeah. No one cares. Yeah. So at the person, and at the person. Boom thing now. I'd go, but I think I'm going to take the apology there still because I told man in an argument, doesn't mean so. You think if I tell him back.
It's not an argument. A man just tell a man, I'm the thing.
Because Nara never respond.
No argument never did. Who call Batty man?
We listen to it. No,
Nara Boom called Nara.
This is the one height.
Yes, Spice. Everybody call Nara Batty man.
No, I'm just saying. But what am I saying?
I'm just saying. I mean, I said that. Like, I had an idea. Is what it is. Like, him get told by Sucky man, them get told by call Batty man. Like, them thing. That's what I say.
The thing is here.
Like,
and everybody can apologize.
Hold on, one at a time.
And everybody can apologize too.
You have to balance the scale, right?
You can try.
At the end of the day, boy, I'm glad I'm not discriminate.
Boom, say what him say because him obviously Nari say something though. So it's just a counter to what you say.
Yeah.
Simple.
But I mean, moving on, it's a good look. Yeah. Like she try, mend fences and move on and blah blah blah. So anybody who hasn't watched the interview, go over to the Fix's YouTube channel. It's there. Type it in YouTube. Type it in Google.
Before we move on from that topic, do you think Ramesh Entertainment, like Ramesh entire camp, do you think in terms of the dancehall space with them and the Fix, do you think they pick a side between Jeffrey and the Fix them? Because think about it. Anybody who's on a Ramesh brand umbrella, them not go over Fix.
Because the Fix is not quick trending. That's not because a person is a business.
But
Ramesh is a businessman.
Fix has been around a longer time than Jeffrey.
It's not about quick trending. You ever see one interview with nobody from Ramesh?
Bro, but this is what I'm trying to say to you. Watch this.
Very good question.
Watch this,
I've never preed it that way.
Ramesh, not much artist on the stage as well. No.
What you've made a statement and I'm
no matter like today, no like before.
Him not have much artists now.
No, whoever him have him no really.
All of them go on stage.
No, alright. So right now,
him not an artist now, brother.
Even if I'm an artist right now, yeah. Him with that J-Free platform, but pre-walk and talk me that's it. J-Free platform because everything put on platform there. If it's the wrong or right thing, properly is made. The Fix is that established one over 10 years where them have various and
you know you're talking about that fuckery.
Shut up, I'm talking about
I agree. I agree with that one there.
Right.
Sorry, Brett.
Bro, alright. If you have a new artist right now, yeah. You don't want them go up on the Fix or J-Free platform.
Because when you're doing a media you go here, you go on stage, you go everywhere, right? You're doing a media
No, when a man want to clickbait, quick thing. Them don't want to build up. Them want as if a man go up on J-Free platform as an artist.
Yeah.
And him get the right interview. The next morning, all I'm get more. Even go up on stage, figure them one is a build up, yes, but some of them just want no.
Yeah.
No.
But
so
it no matter.
You can
go on.
You have more artists who want to go on J-Free platform than anybody platform.
No, that would be. Hold on. That would be.
All right.
a matter of strategic planning on the management side.
But that's what I just said to
Brett,
Remy should
Brett,
do.
Brett,
That's
hold
exactly
on,
what I was
Brett,
saying.
No,
hold
but
on,
none of them
Brett,
go over the fixed
like,
dog. That way I try to say.
You
Them not go over there.
you said this, and I an idea. Let me ask you this now. In terms of like getting interview in Jamaica, right? By most of these media hosts, we call it media journalists. Where that's on stage, ER, Fix, and Jeffrey, right? They're the 4 leading one
Intent,
right
don't
now.
forget intent.
Right? No, they're the 4 leading one. Sorry
Yeah.
if Emily vote nobody,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Which one you would say is the highest one you could go for? Say yes, I've been over there. What, Jeffrey?
You will see the
Me I ask you.
Bro, if you do it as forget recognition, quick, like right now.
Much interview Jeffrey
Well
going
on,
away?
bro, well on, brother.
Because the people them don't have the topic.
But they don't see that. Them just as Sister Jeffrey a stream higher on YouTube than all of them, every couple. So them man nowadays don't care about the original platform. They just want to go to that platform. We're going to push the music today for tomorrow.
And that's why management is quite important.
Birds.
So that me I say, bro, so it matter let's say I fools me attack.
Birds, you're talking a bit of shit.
It's not shit at all. None at all. We are trying to
Me can explain
bro,
my
and I
points.
cheer, bro. Tonight night and I got make me feel like I eat that, bro.
Can I explain my
And I
point?
walk and touch on this. No, what may I say, yeah?
Can I explain my
They-
point, Birds?
Hold on, bro. What may I say? Them watch them something, you know. But the artists them, yeah. You see the artists themselves, them not pre that. Them are pre say, yo, Jeffrey. Jeff. Oh, what?
Yeah, talk yeah,
Jeffrey platform. Alright, long story short, TikTok. Yeah? Enough artists wouldn't go the original route them no more. Because them know say TikTok are the quick burst to fame. Them no want do a algorithm where I got build up them career. Them just want them drop a song and a man a 3 million view on them something Lord. But really and truly it's not because there is a platform where it's more prominent now. The Fix, ER and on stage are the 3 solid media house in Jamaica, yeah? Them do a various type of and them thing different. Cause look on the Fix between Jeffrey, yeah? Artists them have a caliber and with them do interview. And something where you can watch with history because enough of them. None of them muted on the history, so them look forward, come to them wherever, and that's it. Cause it's a quick thing, quick.
But I think if
what
you're looking at it from that perspective, Jeffrey's platform, because them not really have much content or catalog, ER on stage would have been the better platforms for them.
But them not think like that.
And that is why it leads back to management.
Brother start
It's
some
quite
work on
important. That's the first thing I led out
I said
with.
from the start of the conversation.
And that thinking, hold on, the
This man
All-Star.
is a chance.
That thinking of, is a quick thing, it not gonna really reach nowhere, my G.
Because
Them for know that on me.
It not gonna reach nowhere.
because
Because,
look on it what you say quick hype or whatever.
yeah,
right?
it no make no sense.
There's a lot of people go over Jeffrey, right?
And the content and conversation.
You never gonna wear because listen, only people who go over there and do viral interview are people who's hot and people who already been trending.
established.
So at the end of the day, let me just say something to you. Say, yeah, boy, everybody go over Jeffrey.
Bro, you miss everybody. Miss what I
What-
said.
what
You
I-
keep
yes,
everything
yes,
you do
yes,
that.
yes,
You listen for risk but not to understand, bro. And that's something I like.
Can I finish my point?
You see, because I say it too much time over and over. Bro, the man them not care about that. Them just want to say, you go up on the platform today, you have 100,000 views. He must say, that platform they get that, I'm saying I get stream and whatever. Him not care about the history of the station. Them want to go up them want to know, go up on the station, we act today right now. No, today drop and then wait a 2-3 for them no want to do that. Them man them want right now. So hard than that for understand, bro. No matter where you go say no, yeah, come on, me say, the man them want no. Them no want next week, them want no.
All right, then,
Yeah,
cool.
before
End the story, bro.
before
Yeah, we have
I was
couple-
rudely interrupted.
Couple minutes left
Let me
in
get
this
back to my point.
segment, and then we wrap
Yeah.
up, please.
Yeah, allow me
All
to get
star,
my
make
point
your point,
across.
please. Make your point, please.
No, I'm gonna ask Birds first. Yeah, allow me.
you don't need to ask him. Can you just
Because
make your point, please?
a bullet thing to this because I'm a gun.
Can you make your point, please?
But anyway,
Thank you.
yeah, all right. So here one now, Birds. So I think say the whole Jeffrey thing is just because we call it. Everybody like the controversy way ma do and because all right, Jeffrey get to prominence because he's trying to shoot down everybody and he's aligning himself with certain people. Wait. If you're true to dancehall and dancehall culture, you would have say it's a big friend thing. And you realize that certain people who's really streets go over there because an idea it kind of borderline in a way. You can go over there and them say you're one of them type of people. Me nah label nobody. when you don't get me twisted. Them can say, you over that side of their life, or you can go on hold your own and say, yeah, now. We'll keep it neutral. Him call me, and I style him. Yeah, man, I soon forward for interview, and I not go nowhere.
You better since lately, no.
No.
And because before the little video drop, almost every artist one go up on that interview there.
What kind of every artist you have? Chopper artist and that?
One them want go up on interview. That's what I'm saying to you. That's what I say. Him not my try to say, yo, the man them want get them out there now.
Popcorn over there?
Bro, you see, it is something I say me now. Obviously, artists with them
need you must say popcorn over there.
There's certain artists that need certain interview on certain platform. Can I that platform? You see me? But the man that want it now and forget recognize them as an artist now. Them say the viewer go by 2, 3.
I'll start. But then again, we're all agreeing that method it not really propelled them career going away.
Yeah,
right?
but that's what they do.
Speaking about Jeffrey, like let's delve into this a little bit.
2
what
minutes.
the little thing go on with him and walk
minutes.
and talk, right?
Yeah.
You see, them come and try patch it up on live, but obviously the damage already done because when we watch a video, me really say, yo, this them in a studio and me talk about this before. Me say, we know Armani no push badness, but between Armani, DJ, Valiant and all that, me look on Valiant different because like they was pushing a bully mentality. Yeah, record somebody under what you call it duress and stress. If you apologize to when you know walk and talk, you don't really mean no. That's why I'm name walk and talk. You know, that's why man chat be a fucker. See?
Why?
And
that's the first stop.
When you do like something there, and then I an idea, you know say yo, una Jeffrey a friend, then him come say something and say yo, him nah make no man this him friend them, so what? So you and him no friend, I see him time. If my 2 brethren them have beef, me nah go pick no side no, me and say yo dog, you what go on now man. We need to cut out that fucker there, yo dog. Fuck you no go on now, me nah say Valiant no show no video man. Fuck you no go on. But everything me and I beat walk and talk and say yo. You hype up and say yo this and say yo that. Because remember, you know, it's gonna be some other thing we say off camera when a catch. We have to win a year and all the other things will go on we don't know about. See?
If in the record, we wouldn't know.
I just tell you so from me see the video and them come back and say oh him get fired, then me see Fitness come on and then I an idea. Me look on that show and I say yo, you see an idea? Yeah, give Jeffrey him flowers and say yo, what him do is good. Him have talent. He's very talented youth, but an idea. Walk and talk bring something to the show where him don't have because walk and talk as fuck up as you see him walk and talk is the streets and the show, and when walk and talk bring an analogy in the show you say oh Ross
you never did that
at the street attack you know because walk and talk depend on the street
but he run down walk and talk about
in the street
Phantom Mojo
yeah
and downtown and check it up on Google back to me and say the man nowadays want every information now she never up on Google.
But him that's say not an interview though.
No, but when I say
it's not an interview.
Them want sit everything they want fact check no. Them want got to know. So check it up on Google or the internet, him say fake. So when them actually find out him pass, yo, he did it right. Just like how the man them want to situate themselves quick and fast. Nobody no want work for nothing and research it.
General. So what sorry.
And with the walk and talk session now, via walk and talk and him start them one thing. Jeffrey tells me take a break whatever, but here the joke with it. I'm sure he just can't base alone on interview, because you have interview and them look whatever.
Them talks
and if you find his co-host, it's not
going to be the same. So can I just double check the relationship or the podcast that they do together? They're no longer doing it together. Let's be honest.
This is
a mashup.
This is what you call it.
No, they're not a friend again.
This is what you call it. This is entertainment. Enough people say they want a friend, they want a friend again when they vibe with them.
No, because
Monty and Beanie is the best.
Am I right to say that? Couple episodes I've seen, I haven't seen Walk on Talk.
It mash up and an idea is a girl business.
No, one podcast.
One thing and like
certain thing. The podcast that it start when them have the beef, but then him forward back.
Yeah, but because obviously Walk on Talk, but chat something because obviously more feel discount to see him. I'm going off him out to people. Look more thing go on, but an idea. Certain thing with Jeffrey talk because obviously if we're gonna be fair, we're gonna say he's the most intelligent out of the two in terms of like book wise and whatever, right?
Okay.
So certain good thing, you give a man a camera and you tell a man, you know, come talk certain thing and you say yo everything you talk about real everything you will fake. A girl behavior that time me know way.
You know, so probably intelligent more than a man. It's sometimes people
I say in terms of book wise and that
even that probably you know it's sometimes some people can't.
We are talking about formal education.
I know,
what we can read off of the internet.
But at the same time You have some man when are educated with them, learn how to speak properly. Say things, everything them say makes
He's
sense.
educated. We know
Me
that.
not say him don't, obviously. But at the same time, walk and talk might not speak. Oh, certain people want to hear.
Just like I'm more intelligent than you.
Anyways.
So until you say that.
And anyways, before this goes any further,
Go
Go until you say that.
before it goes any further,
Well,
we're gonna wrap up this segment of the show. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for sticking and staying with us so far. This is the Up and Live Show. We're live every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we're sponsored by the Granaries.